Howdy, kids. My name is Aaron Fountain, and We already started the taco boats, the boats that don't float, and we already got the meat and the seasoning and what's next?
You got what else is in there?
And the chicken.
You got to stir it around.
I guess. And I'm gonna stir it around.
Not out of the thing. Make sure they stay in the pan. Okay. All right. Tell about your day.
Oh, my day was great. We went to Emory and I told her how I about my behavior and yeah.
Okay.
And I'm now cooking taco boats
What are you doing with the meat?
and I'm now cooking the meat,
Okay.
stirring it around, stirring it around. No, I need to pick that up.
Trash. Trash can.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So you're gonna cover it up.
Now I'm gonna cover it up.
Put it on top there.
Well,
Put it on top.
put it on top.
Okay. Tell them what you're adding to the taco boats.
What I'm adding to the taco boats is Cobbly and Monterey Jack, fresh
Colby
ready.
and Monterey Jack.
Monterey Jack and tortillas,
Sauce.
sauce, taco salt,
Okay.
seasoning,
Okay. What else?
tomatoes,
Okay. And
onions,
peppers.
and peppers.
Okay. All right. Aaron? Tell about your hat.
Oh, and this is Jimmy's hat and Jimmy's apron.
That's cool. No, Aaron. Tell the joke.
What? Okay, and you want to hear a joke? Okay.
Aaron, tell a joke. Aaron.
What do you get when you cross this rapper and this dog?
What?
Snoopy Dog.
Okay. What else?
And now I can hear it sizzle. Do you want me to take it out?
Stir. Stir.
Stir.
What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
Oh, I'm stirring the meat around, and do you want me to put in the
Stir. Stir. What are you doing?
stirring it around?
Okay. Put your lid back on.
Okay, and I need to put my lid back on.
Good joke.
Okay. The what?
Just tell a good joke. No. 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 Tell a good joke.
Okay. Where's down under?
I don't know.
Australia instead of down there.
Okay. That was a joke. All right. So let's build your boats.
Okay. Yep. And we're gonna build my boats now.
Okay. So turn that off. Turn it off, Aaron. Okay. Okay. Take your plate. Tell them what you're doing.
Okay, I'm gonna build my boats now.
Okay. Put it down. Okay.
With shells,
Okay. And a little bit of.
meat.
Okay. Take your little thing. Take your spatula. Take your spatula. Aaron, get your spatula. Okay. Okay, put it inside the boat. Okay, tell them what you're doing.
I'm taking the meat parts into the spatula, into the taco shell.
Put some more. There you go. Okay. That's enough. There, that's enough. Put some of your stuff on there.
Okay.
Tell them what you're putting.
Taco seasoning.
Okay. No, you don't need to put that. Put some
Well,
of
it's already
your
on
tomatoes. It's already on there.
And okay, next. Onions.
Okay. Okay. What's next? What's that?
Peppers.
Okay. Next.
Tomatoes.
Okay. Okay, put those on there. Okay, what's next?
Cheese.
Okay. Okay, and what's next?
The sauce.
There's my stir around. Okay, and put a little bit of sauce on it. Just a little. Okay, and there you go. That's enough.
And
That's enough. Put it to the side.
and that's it.
Okay. Here. Show me about it.
And voila! This is how you make taco boats.
Hold on.
Bon appetit.